Ose! Babma was so him. And then the pair, it's me and the bush because in India, a gram also. No, but me a fascination also. In the end, I tip him at a moon be two and a four. Bo and need to be brete is me about any sickanyete and then consorte. The Monte be brete no and then inquire. A tennebacker come to say, Moody will also set on more kayo moving normal by August, nay on my bebois, name we some Pamamo Consoima on one day and nay ta. The moon was here, it's me a queer to more bar. Ibu Shira. Ne omoba tenso benko no mutwu na be no twebebo simia no eni hyiramane na monkwan so se mo na moyo agba nkwade mo le bebre asko bota etokwa ala abejo bre so ayo mebo etwi na me mebo no nkwade mo le my queen also about what I'm trying to tell our queen mother is that she's done very well for availing herself for this title. The title she's holding in our dialect is Etipim Hima. When you say somebody is Etipim Hima or Etipim Hina, the male is Etipim Hina, then the female is Etipim Hima. That means she's advisor to the royal family or to the chiefs and the queens in their missionary aspects. So she is going to advise us on what to do and what not to do, especially in respect of our economic issues, our financial issues, and issues governing the whole kingdom or the setup. So we thank her very much for availing herself, and it's our prayer that as she goes, God should bless her, let her work become fruitful, so that she gets something to come and also support the kingdom that we are bringing her in. So we thank you very much for also bringing her and also advising her to hold up to the title. God bless you. Amen.
Our esteemed Queen Mother, Nifahene, and the chiefs and people of Nifahene. We say we thank you, Your Highness. We thank you so much for bestowing this title upon Dr. Crystal, and we give you the assurance that this title is dear for us, so we are going to do our best to live up to the expectations of the kingdom. We thank Queen Mother, we thank all the leaders. We assure you that by August we'll come back to do the outdooring, a proper outdooring, a steam outdooring, so that we take it from there. We know that when you are from the diaspora and we give you this title, then a heavy responsibility has been put on your shoulders. So you don't take the title and go and sit in America and then come back. So you go, this place becomes your second home. You can buy land, you can put up your residence. So you have two residences. Your residence in the United States and your residence in the kingdom. So you are part of the kingdom. Our development process, everything, you are part. So we implore you, yes, to be mindful always of the title that you are given, so that you help, so that the kingdom become great. When the whole Akwapim kingdom, the Nifahene kingdom, we are the right wing of the kingdom. Without the right hand, we can't do anything. So we contribute strongly to the upliftment of the whole Akwapim kingdom. So you are coming to a big and a great kingdom, which is widespread. Greater population, villages all over the place, all under the kingdom. So we know and we have the confidence that you live up to the expectations. We congratulate you.
Thank you. Also hear something from you. Shall we hear something from you?
Yes. Thank you, King, for bestowing the title on me. I'm a part of you. You are the part of me. I will make this my home as well as America. And I will work together with everyone so I can advise properly. with the grace of God.
So we say that we will retire and go and freshen up. By 1 o'clock, all of us will have to meet at our esteemed Queen Mother's residence for some refreshment before we bring the day to a close. So we thank everybody. We are expecting to see everybody at the Queen Mother's residence by 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. For the function that has been done today, all the young men and women and all those who contributed to this morning ceremony. This is a little token to say thank you. Everybody should take some to remember this day. Thank you. Thank everybody.